Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Profit at Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today I'm going to talk about how we can fetch the order book. Okay. You can visit some of my videos, especially we need the API key as well as the product ID is definitely required. Okay, so some of 2 or 3 videos and with the code we are able to do this stuff. Okay, especially I'm looking for this stuff, especially getting the ticker consists of market price as well as a product ID. Okay, so we'll try this stuff. So what is order book? Suppose if we get with our delta exchange, okay, it consists of options table as well as if you want to place any kind of a orders. If you just get with this stuff, so if you click it here, okay, you will get an order book. So it consists of depth and details, bid and ask, you can say buy and sell, all of the stuff will be there. So it mainly consists of market price with all of this stuff. If you want to go with the market price, so some of this bid and ask, some of buy and sell it gets selected. Okay, so if you're trying to buy at market price also, the price will get selected from here only. Okay, so buyers try to buy or sellers try to sell, so here at this point they are doing this stuff. Okay, so somewhere it gets selected and you are able to place these orders. Okay, so from this you can take it down and can see this stuff. If you are placing a limit order, so this will be helpful. Okay, so for so many other purpose you can utilize, because whoever doing this stuff is there will be definitely real buyers and sellers will be there, where you get a depth of this stuff. So it is very much important for analysis. Okay, especially if you contain to any of Zerodha or fires. Okay, they definitely consist of a market depth. Okay, and they get a list of certain, so same these things goes. Okay, so you just check it out. So as of right now I've been place some of the orders, so I try to take it out this product ID. Okay, so I've been done this stuff and I will show you some of the variations, getting the market price and what is in this category of buy and sell. Okay, so let's get with our I just copy this stuff and we paste it and try to get from this stuff. Okay, and some of the things already, which is my credentials is ready, so you have to be ready with this stuff and let's do this stuff. So let's get with our ID. So here we are in our ID, so I will paste it. So as you can see, I try to call API secret and all the stuff. One more thing which I can do, since I have already in this folder created credentials like from cred import start, so you also can do, so you don't have to write it down. Just call this Python file and it is able to all this stuff. Okay, so first priority is we are good with our market price, so we can say this market price we got this stuff, so let it come. And secondary, because when we are calling this stuff, this is our symbol. Okay, so if we call, maybe we can get the ticker, but to place the order, to get the order book, to get position, you have to particular say some stuff. Okay, so product ID is very much important, so from the videos and the code you can refer it out. Okay, so you can get it from the get ticker. Okay, so you don't have to confuse, which will give you market price and all of the depth stuff. So instead of directly getting the product ID, I try to take it from get ticker. Okay, so if I miss anything, I just compare and try to see everything is good. So that is how you can do. You can call the import pandas as PD as well. Okay, for analysis purpose. So we are good here. So if I call the mark price and if I say about the product underscore ID, so all we have to say whatever we got response, in that response say about the product ID. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in a comfortable area where my variable and what I am referring, it consists the same. Okay, so what the confusion, I do this stuff. So what I'm getting a put symbol, BTS is there, So I have selected around what 11 6,000 strike price, and I have to give like year, month and date. Okay, so especially 2025 is already running. Okay, so you should start from a date. So we have particular date on 25 Friday. It is expiring. So we are taking a weekly expiry product which I bought it. I took it 25, and we have to say about the year. I mean the month, and then we have to go with the year. Okay, so this stuff is good. So first of all, we try to get the product ID and market price. Okay, if it goes good, then we will move further, and mark underscore price will be there. Okay. So let's do this stuff and see what we got. Okay, so this is from our credentials, and I think I'm referring the get ticker, but I didn't get anything. Maybe I'm missing something. Delta underscore client. Okay, for sure, I've been mentioned. Okay, so I think I'm calling the API key and all those stuff. But what is here? I have to get back with the previous stuff. So what happens? The Delta REST client is definitely required. So maybe I got the API key and all the stuff, but I didn't call the variable. Okay. So I just refer this stuff, and if I go for one more time, it will definitely get me the results which I'm looking for. Okay. So perfect. So here what happens? I just got the ID, and with this stuff I got the price, and we just try to round this price. Okay, so as you can see, bid and ask price, buy and sell price are in some round statement. Okay, especially containing dot, zero or one of these values. So try to go is this way. So I think this will be better. Okay, so perfect. We got the means product ID and mark price. I think it didn't took the round method. So here mark underscore price, and if I did this stuff, so definitely it's a string. Okay, so it's calling in a string. So we have to mention it first, we have to say at float, and then if we'll go, we're definitely gonna get the values in a round statements. So that's what we have to do. Okay, so you have to see that if I do any mistakes, you will get some learning. So it will be easy to understand. So first of all, you need to understand the JSON part, what type it is. Okay, and if any calculation is required, you definitely required to be converted in a float and need to be rounded off. Okay, so this is the way you have to work. So when you are calling the API key, when you call some stuff, that will be back decimal length will be there. So you need to round off and try to call it properly. So we got our product ID and mark price. We are good to go. Now we just have to call the order book, whichever it is there, depth or any of stuff are there. Just give it to me. Okay. So or we can say order underscore book. Okay, and we have to call our delta. I mean here we can straight away we can refer this stuff, and few of the changes will get you what we're looking for. So definitely get will be there, and because it's a REST API. Okay, so references are there, and we have to say order book. Okay, so we have to see this stuff whether we are getting or not. Okay, the level 2 order book we are getting. Okay, so we have to mention this product ID. This string won't help us, and in the next step we have to say order underscore book. So definitely we got this stuff. Okay, now the point is here we got a lot of stuff. Now we have to realize how things are going on. Okay, so basically if I have to go with the buy or sell, I can go with this stuff, and whichever I want to choose the price, I can go. I just in a simple way I want to show how things will go. So just contain in this uh, data frame, and we call this stuff. So we'll see. So as you can see, we contains lot of stuff cutting with the buy and sell. So especially there will be buy will be there and sell will be there. So here refer we got the depth, okay, at certain number. Then price, we definitely looking for the price and size, what size it got by. Okay, so simple. So all of the stuff are there which you can still filter. If you want to go with the buy, you can go with this stuff. If you want to go with the sell, you just have to say sell. Okay, if you say and if you call, you will be able to get all of the prices. Okay, so say sell if I call, and if I'm talking about this as in this, and I can put here the data frame. Okay, and I just need to call the price. So this is also I can call. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, so as you can see, I got some sell list. Okay, so many other prices are there. So basically I want to refer it first because it's somewhere close at the market price. Okay, so you can if you are placing a limit order, you can go with the 6, and it will definitely gonna save, like if you are getting with the futures, it will save you some of the fees, trading fees, like trader maker or something like that. And even I think they have been reduced the price for fees some 0.15%, 0.15. I think monsoon offer is there. So you just check it out, have an account and get the API and try from your side. The API is smooth, and once you get hands on it, I think you will get a lot of opportunities where we won't see in Indian markets. We definitely can get this. So especially for derivative trading, okay, option selling, futures, buy and sell. So a lot of stuffs are there which you can explore, which is not possible in the Indian market. Okay, I mean especially like this settlements where we get complete easy with INR. Okay, so I must say try with the Delta Exchange, link in the description. Okay, thank you. If you got any doubt regarding this video, please do comment below. If you have any other queries or requirements, please do contact me direct via WhatsApp. Thank you.